नो बहुत सी वुमेन कंफ्यूज्ड होती है कि वाइड लेग जीन्स हमारे ऊपर अच्छी लगेगी या नहीं। ये बहुत जेंजी फेवरेट भी है, बट स्टाइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इट इज ड्रैगिंग यू डाउन। हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अपस्टाइल विद शिखा। I am Shikha, your personal stylist and an image consultant. I help women discover their personal style, dress for their body type, and feel confident every single day. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button क्योंकि यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे स्टाइलिंग टिप्स जो आपकी लाइफ को और इजी और स्टाइलिश बनाएंगे. Also, like I say it in my every video, if you have any styling query or concern or suggestion, just drop them in the comment box below and I love picking your queries and making videos on them. In my last video, I talked about how to style skinny jeans and also how not to style them. If you have not checked that one out already, do give it a watch. I'll put the link in the description box below. Now today's video is really something that I am excited about. Actually, I am excited about all my videos. So today, we will be talking about how to style wide leg jeans and equally important, how not to style them. Wide leg jeans from last year अभी काफी ट्रेंड में है and I know बहुत सी women confused होती है कि wide leg jeans हमारे ऊपर अच्छी लगेगी या नहीं. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to wear wide leg jeans for your body shape and with confidence. So before moving how to style wide leg jeans, let's understand how not to style them because these are some common mistakes that if you are doing with wide leg jeans, it's killing your look. Mistake number 1. Picking cropped jeans that are too short. Wide leg jeans that are cropped awkwardly above your ankle are really tricky to style. जब फ्लेयर सडनली कट हो जाता है, it chops your height visually and makes you appear shorter. Especially for petite women, ये और भी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर देती है because it creates a lot of horizontal lines and एक elongating effect finish हो जाता है. So ladies, no cropped wide leg jeans. Even if you see them, someone wearing them, let it be. They are not very flattering to most body shapes. Mistake number 2. Wrong footwear choices. I have seen this so often. Wide leg jeans with bathroom slippers or flip flops या एक्स्ट्रा बल्की स्लाइडर्स. प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, जीन्स का नीचे ऑलरेडी एक वॉल्यूम होता है, एक फ्लेयर होता है एंड व्हेन यू वेयर फ्लैट दैट डजंट एक्ट स्ट्रक्चर, पूरा लुक ड्रैगी हो जाता है. इट्स लाइक पुलिंग यू डाउन. दे डोंट गो वेल टुगेदर. मिस्टेक नंबर 3. Oversized tops with wide leg bottoms. Oversized hoodie, oversized sweatshirts, oversized shirts with wide leg jeans. Now, I know this looks comfy and ये बहुत Gen Z favorite भी है, but styling point of view से it is dragging you down. Instead of cool street style look, most women end up looking shapeless. ऊपर volume plus नीचे volume, it's equal to no structure. आपके best features hide हो जाते हैं. So let this be with Gen Z only, and if you want to look elegant in wide leg jeans, then don't do this. Mistake number 4. Wrong jacket length. Long cardigans या shrugs या jackets that cut mid thigh kills the proportion. जब आप wide leg के साथ एक लंबी layer add करते हो, आपके legs visually short हो जाते हैं. It is not flattering unless you are 5'9" or above. So bottom line is, अगर आपको लगता है कि wide leg jeans don't suit me, chances are कि it's not the jeans but the way you are wearing them, the way you are styling them. Let me know in the comment box below if you have been doing this mistakes or if you have been thinking that I should get wide leg jeans or not. And yes, they are a good replacement to your skinny jeans as well. Now, let's talk about the core part. How to actually make wide leg jeans look amazing. I will be giving you a lot of tips and tricks, so sit tight. Tip number 1. Length is everything. Wide leg jeans का असली charm तब दिखता है जब length सही हो. Ideally, they should graze the floor या at least cover most of your shoe. जब आपकी jeans थोड़ी लंबी होती है, it creates a beautiful vertical line and legs automatically long लगने लगते हैं. और अगर jeans ankle के ऊपर cut हो रही है, तो ये effect बिगड़ जाता है. So a pro tip here for you, hem them according to the shoe that you will wear often. If you wear heels more often, then make the length of wide leg jeans match those heels. If you wear flats more often, then hem them accordingly. Tip number 2. Footwear choices. Wide leg jeans can totally change their character depending on your footwear. If you want a polished, office-ready vibe, pair them with pointed toes, pumps or kitten heels. Or if you want to go for brunch or shopping, white sneakers or loafers, they will look chic, but not the chunky one sneakers, the neat, clean white sneakers. Or if you are planning to go for party or dinner, strappy heels will do the charm. बस एक चीज याद रखो, avoid the flats because they have no structure. Instead, choose something that elongates and supports the flare of the jeans. Tip number 3. Tops that balance volume. Since jeans are wide, go for tops that are more structured, like fitted bodysuits, neatly tucked in shirts, or slightly cropped sweaters. They work beautifully with wide leg jeans. अगर आपको layering पसंद है, then you can wear a fitted base like a top and layer with a short blazer. Remember, balance volume with definition on the top. That's the golden rule. Tip number 4, layering smartly. Layering makes wide leg jeans super versatile. Cropped denim jackets, bomber jackets, leather jackets, they all look amazing because they end at your waistline. And since they end at your waistline, they define your proportions beautifully. अगर आपको cardigans पसंद हैं, pick the small, boxy ones instead of long, shapeless ones. Tip number 5, belts and waist definition. Wide leg jeans mostly high-waisted होते हैं, which is a blessing. Add a chic belt, black, tan or even a metallic statement belt and define your narrowest point, that is your waist. ये एक instantly flattering silhouette बनाता है, especially अगर आपकी naturally waist defined नहीं है for people like who are rectangle body shape or round body shape. So this will give you that added definition of waist. Tip number 6, styling for petites. Petite women के लिए wide leg jeans tricky लगते हैं, but trust me, high-waisted jeans pick करो with a long inseam, they can actually be your best friend. Tuck in your tops, avoid too many layers that cut your frame horizontally at multiple parts, and go for vertical details like seams and stripes. And you can even add a 2-inch heel and you will look instantly taller. So now, I think अभी आपको clear हो गया होगा कि wide leg jeans को कैसे नहीं style करना है और कैसे style करना है so that they actually flatter your body. Remember, styling is all about balance and proportions. Wide leg jeans can be super chic, super elongating and trendy अगर आप उन्हें right tops, right footwear और right layers के साथ pair करते हो. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends, subscribe to Upstyle with Shikha. It will help this channel reach more and more women just like you who are looking to update their daily styling. And if there is anything that you want me to create video on, or if there is any suggestion or comment, please put them in the comment box below and I will pick them in my next video. Till then, stay stylish, stay confident, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.